These are the hotel elevators at the Hyatt Regency in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We're going up to 11. Much faster than that hydraulic. This is a traction. Machine room traction. It's geared. Could be gearless though. Here we are at the 11th floor. This does not have the bell trick. This does not have the bell trick. Door close button works. Rear head displays the arrow. Just like the lobby elevator, except this one's traction. Early 2000s impulse. There's your hands-free ADA compliant phone. It's a Dover Helplink. Good, no one called it. Send this up to 5. There goes that elevator. And now we're gonna ride this one. We're gonna go up to 11. Actually, we're gonna go look around this cab. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Ooh, it does not sound very good. Marshall elevator since 1818. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Pool fitness, second floor. Ooh, and here we are up on 11. Let's get a look. Let's get a view here. Here is the airport parking lot. Ew. Ew. There's the short-term parking garage and the landside terminal, airside terminal way over there. Let's get a look around here. Oops, sorry. Here's the presidential suite. Or that. Oh, finally you put our RFID locks. Finally put RFID locks on here. Guess that's a presidential suite. This is the fire exit. That goes up to the elevator machine room. No ground floor discharge. I believe that's alarmed. There's your ice machine. We should probably head back down. Barely see that. Can barely see that. Which one will we get now? We're on the 11th floor. You can tell. Floor 11. This one has the fan on. This one, sadly, this one's got the fan on. This one has a fan. Whoa. No security cameras in any way possible. The elevators on the road, Nordstrom Rack Saks Fifth Avenue put security cameras. We'll stand this one up.